Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and an easy to follow tutorial on WhatsApp. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add someone on WhatsApp. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open WhatsApp on your device. If you know the person's phone number, tap the chat icon at the bottom right. Here, tap New Contact. Enter their name and phone number. When done, tap Save. The second method to add someone is through their QR code. So, tap the three dots at the top right and tap Settings. Here, tap the QR code icon at the right of your profile and tap Scan Code. You can now scan the code of their profile. And that's how you add someone on WhatsApp. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.